Good afternoon class, this is the continuation of chapter 3 and today we will learn about the topic that is Pascal law. He is the scientist whose name is Blaise Pascal. He conducted many experiments on atmospheric pressure. While experimenting, he invented the syringe and after he created the hydraulic press. And the name of this law came to be known as Pascal in his honor. Students, we can easily understand the Pascal law by doing a simple activity. Just look at this figure. It has a glass flask and the upper side of the glass flask fitted with an airtight piston. The upper structure around blue structure is called piston. And look at the lower portion, that is a lower structure, is just like a bulb. And this bulb like structure have number of holes. As we press the piston, what will happen? As we press the piston, we create a pressure. And that pressure transmitted to the water which is filled in the flask. And the water will start flow from the hole with the same velocity in all the direction. So it shows that the pressure in any point in the float is equal in all direction without the change in magnitude. It means it is equal in all the direction. That is known as Pascal law. So we can define Pascal law as when pressure is applied to an enclosed liquid. Enclosed liquid means the liquid which is filled in a flask. It is transmitted means pressure is transmitted equally in all possible directions without a change in magnitude means it flows with same velocity in all the directions. Now the next is consequences of liquid pressure means how will pressure in liquids affect our daily life. The first is the wall of the dam are made thicker at the base. Second, deep sea divers have to wear a special suit to protect themselves. Third one, the water supply tanks are placed at the higher points. This is the figure of the dam with broad base. Why are the wall of the dam are made broad at base? Because as we know that the pressure increases with the increase in the depth of liquid. If we will not make the thicker wall at base, so there are chances the wall to get damaged. So to reduce this risk, the wall of the dam are made thick at the base. So it can hold a greater pressure exerted by the water on it. Now next is why deep sea divers wear a special suit? Because with the same reason the pressure increases with height. If we dive a certain depth, at that time the pressure exerted by the sea water becomes more than the pressure inside the human body. Due to this, there are chances of being crushed, or we can say there are chances to be burst of our blood vessel. And this suit help the sea divers to maintain their body pressure with the pressure of the liquid. So the next is why water tanks are placed at a certain height. We know that pressure is directly proportional to the height. If the height get increases, pressure get increases. So increase in this pressure, the water tanks are placed at a certain height. So it is easy to flow the water in the tap with more pressure.